so much for joining us and to everyone na nanonood sa atin sa live. Ngayon, maraming salamat po.
Yes, good evening everyone and thank you for joining us today. And sana po, panoorin natin ang pelikula Meet, Greet, and Buy coming on November 12. Thank you so much.
Juan Carlos?
Hello, hi! Juan Carlos nga pala.
Bait ah! Ang bait na ang bait.
Opo, ayun po. Meet and greet and buy, andun po ako.
Wow! Alright, kwentuhan tayo later.
Kinakabahan ako pa.
Huwag kang kabahan, masaya lang to.
Ang daming tao.
Ang dami. They're all excited to hear about your movie. But also joining us today are creators ng Meet, Greet, and Buy. Let's call in our writers, Jumbo Albano and Patrick Valencia! Dapat tayo marching band din eh.
Bieber.
Ay, ano yun, Belle? Saan nagaling yun? Okay. Also, will be joining us... mamaya pa. Okay. Mamaya may surprise tayo. Kasi kulang eh. Kailangan may kasama pang dalawa eh, di ba? Pero mamaya ating na-try habulin yung ating mga kasama. But would also like to acknowledge na sasalamin na. Gusto na, hindi na kaya. The presence of our VIPs. Siyempre, Sir Chris Gasman! Miss Zell Samson Martinez, Rai Quintanar, and the lovely Carmi Raimundo. My lovely. Nico Del Rosario is also here. Grabe, full support, full force. Tayong lahat ngayong gabi. Okay, how does it feel to be here? Kaya ako tinanong yun kasi yung huling bisita ko sa inyo, doon sa set, sinabi nyo sa akin, doon pa lang nasese-punks na kayo. Nagkakaroon na kayo ng separation anxiety. How does it feel to be here now doing this press conference, Belle?
Well, kanina, we did a fan meet. Grabe, we got so emotional. You know, that moment, I just felt the presence of everyone. I felt the presence of Pamilya Facundo. And now that we're here doing the press con, it makes me more excited for November 12. Yes.
Nay.
Ako kasi, iba naman ang experience ko dito sa Dolphy Theater. The last time nandito ko, kasama ko yung daddy ko. Nandito, yung burol niya dito ginawa. Kaya pagbalik ko, eto pa lang ako ngayon. Kaya parang flashback ako. Oo. Pero natutuwa ako na dito kami ngayon ng mga anak ko.
Grabe yung attachment sa'yo ni Belle eh. Parang anak mo na eh, no?
Anak ko sila.
Di ba?
Hindi ko na sila.
Piolo, welcome back to Star Cinema. Your homecoming.
Yeah, after 8 years, I'm just really excited to be back home.
When was the last?
8 years ago.
Last night?
Last night, yeah.
Wow.
Ngayon, new night. New night!
Saan nagkaling yung new night? Ang sarap, homecoming.
Yes, it's nice to be back. Your first love, your first family, and of course, ABS-CBN and Star Cinema for that matter. Ang sarap nung pakiramdam na uuwi ka sa pamilya talaga na nagpalaki sa'yo, na nagbigay sa'yo ng break at the same time. Ang sarap nung pakiramdam na nakabuo ka ng isang pamilya within the shoot, sa shoot namin. At yun ang talagang regalo namin sa mga tao. Itong pelikula na ginawa namin, na pinaghirapan for so many months, and it's just really excited. Because, you know, when it comes to family dramas, when it comes to films like this, ang mapagkakatiwalaan talaga natin, Star Cinema. So,
Well, speaking of going back, Inay, welcome back ulit. Sorry sa pagtanong, ano ba yung last mo?
Hindi ko maalala.
Chris, last ni Inay.
Aha.
P2!
Jaguar?
Girl, boy, bakla, tomboy. Alam ng mga fans. Diba? Documented yan. Oo. With Vice Ganda.
Yung sa anak ko pa yun.
Diba? Isa
Na
mong
ako
pang-anak.
makakalimking at naninipa.
JK naman, your first movie with Star Cinema. Tama ba?
Yeah, yes it is.
First movie, bongga ka agad.
Thank you. Ninibago ako. No, actually, again, hi everyone. I wanted to go back to your question earlier kasi the last time we were together as well, andun tayo sa, sa location. Tapos as you very well know, nakapambahay na kami. And we felt at home. Talagang hanggang ngayon ramdam ko yung sepangs kasi going on set was one of those things that I was looking forward to doing. Pag malalaman namin na, may TV, tara, kasi ang saya lang namin sa set. So, nakakamiss, pero sana hindi ito yung uling pagsasama ng pamilya Facundo.
Wow!
Narinig mo yung arms, ha?
Dinig na dinig daw. Dinig na dinig. Okay. Meron tayong gift sa kanilang lahat. It's time to watch the official. Anong reaction mo, Nay?
Naiyak ko eh. Maganda yung movie kasi namin. Talagang pinagmamalaki mo namin yung pelikulang ginawa namin. Para po sa inyo na handog ng Star Cinema and ABS-CBN. Sana po panoorin nyo. Hindi kayo
Bel. Wala na.
Ang aga-aga, kumakalma pa lang. Pero hindi, sobrang na-attach kami sa proyektong ito. And sana yung pamilya Facundo, yung mensahe nito sobrang ganda. Sana yung mensahe nito umabot sa manonood natin. It will give so much importance to the people you love in your life.
DJ?
Isa na lang yung tissue ko. Pasensya na, napaka-emotional namin sa pelikula and it was really hard to do because I don't want to say personally, but it hits close to home, especially for Filipino families, and it's something that we have to face, inevitably, no matter who we lose, as long as it's part of the family. Nasakit sa puso, di ba? So when we were doing it, pinipigil na kami ni Direk umiyak kasi sabi niya, audience ang iiyak, hindi kayo, bawal kayo umiyak.
Oh.
Bawal kami umiyak. So, yun ang masakit kasi parang we're full of emotions, yet we cannot show it as much. So it was really hard for me, especially kay Inay, na napaka-maiyakin yan. So bawal talaga. It's just a good feeling to have and yeah,
JK.
Ako nagulat ako kung doon pala si Joshua. Kasama ko na namin siya. Parang kung nasaan
Ito naman, paiyak na nga kami lahat.
The coping mechanism ko
Okay.
yun. Kaya ako ganito, guys.
Okay.
No, I mean, especially with what I personally also went through in life, it's also way too close. So, I mean, ewan. Basta, yun na yun. Basta maganda yung pelikula.
Alam mo kaya ako
Maganda yung pelikula ng to.
Kaya ako nakatayo kasi gusto kong bumaba. Gusto kong magtanong ng reaction ng mga nakapanood ng official trailer. Is there anybody there who wants